Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Welcome back to the channel where we do videos on mobile app tutorials, tips, tricks, experiments, reviews, all kinds of stuff like that. If you're interested in those types of things, maybe subscribe to the channel. If not, then I don't know what you're doing here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur your Snapchats. Okay, so here we are on Snapchat, and what I'm going to do is show you how to blur any photo that you take. So this could be on the front-facing camera like a selfie. We know what people are going to use it for, you know what I'm saying? Or you could flip the camera around and do it. This is kind of a new feature, and I'm going to be doing more videos within this new feature. So subscribe for that if you're interested. But what you want to do is tap this little smiley face icon first. Oh, that's pretty dope. And then right here, you're gonna see this one called Create. You wanna tap on that. And then you're gonna get some options here. And then what you wanna do is swipe all the way to the right and you're gonna get this blur option. So now you can draw on the screen. So we can blur stuff out. I can blur out my mouth here. And there's an undo button right here. So if you blur something that you want to unblur, you just tap that. So then we can blur some other stuff. And then you can just tap this button right here to take a photo. So that's what it would look like. Here's another quick example. So there's how you would use the blur feature. Like I said, you can do it on the selfie camera, or we can flip this around here. I think we can flip it. Yeah, you can flip it with the button in the top right corner. And then, you can just blur stuff. Snap a photo. But that's how you do it. There is the blur feature. I'm sure someone will find it useful. I'm sure someone will be using it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Definitely check out the Snapchat playlist. There's hundreds of Snapchat tutorials in there for you guys to learn how to use Snapchat, and lots of other mobile app tutorial videos on the channel. So definitely check those out if you're interested in learning. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Oh,